Costco and Walmart are already putting limits on sales of bath tissue as new shipments fail to arrive, new items being added to that list. The Biden administration is now scheduled to hold a roundtable meeting with private sector companies tomorrow, including Walmart, UPS, and Home Depot, to discuss the broken supply chain and ways to try and fix it. Right now, it is taking roughly 80 days to transport goods across the Pacific. That is twice as long as normal. In the meantime, the logjam at U.S. ports continues to grow. There are now a near record 146 cargo ships off the California coast, with hundreds of billions of dollars worth of merchandise essentially going nowhere. Now, retail giants are taking an expensive step, chartering their own cargo ships at around $140,000 a day, twice the normal cost of shipping. Walmart, Home Depot, Costco, Target, so some of those retailers using this pricey option, hoping to ensure key products such as electronics will arrive in time for the holiday season. But there's no guarantee, and experts say at least 20 to 25% of those stranded goods, Neil, are unlikely to make it in time for Black Friday.
Interesting, right? How the priority here is electronics for the holidays and toilet paper, paper towels items. What about the food? The empty shelves with the food. Yeah, but anyway, it's starting to make headlines in the news. The broken supply chain, the disruption, the empty shelves. So it's starting to increase attention and also increasing demand on alternative products, such as long-term food storage items, the prepper food. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Little Frenchie in Big Texas. I am Anne. And so I have been reporting food shortages and empty shelves in the greater Houston area here in Texas for the past, well, probably about 2 months. But what I want to talk to you about here is another way to get prepared, which is the prepping food. You know, these large cans that you buy that have a long shelf life, usually 25 years. And one of the main supplier that you can find very easily on the internet, whether it's Amazon, Walmart, just issued a communication a few days ago saying they were shutting down. So this is Augason Farms, and they issued a communication on October 7th saying they were shutting down for 3 months due to supply shortages. So 3 months, so October, November, December, it brings us to early January. I have my doubts whether the supply is actually going to increase in January in the middle of the winter. So not even sure they're going to open back. But if you look at their website, it's all empty and sold out. No more sales. And I actually like this brand, not necessarily for the mixed products they have, because it's a lot of sodium and not that much nutrients. Calories, yes, but missing the vitamins and minerals. But I actually really like the raw food products they have, like the green peas, the carrots, all the raw fruits and vegetables. They have some banana chips, for instance, strawberries, plenty. So it's a real shame here that this brand is no longer available on their website. You can still find it on Amazon. Amazon has a lot of warehouses and stock. So it's good as long as the stock is there. But at present, you still have products on Amazon. I actually just placed an order this morning for the shredded potatoes. They had a deal. The only thing is that they're not telling you when it's going to arrive. It's open order with the shipment date to be confirmed. So I'm waiting to see if they're actually going to confirm the order or cancel it. But if you look through the Amazon website, you still have some large number 10 cans available from Augason Farms. Not all of them, but some. So if you're a prepper, wanted to get some more of this prepping food while it's still available, do it now before it's gone. Because even the other brands, they are running short and with delayed in terms of shipment. So I'll give you a few examples here. One of probably my favorite here is Nutrient Survival. which I really recommend because it's good quality and has nutrients, vitamins and minerals, not just calories and sodium here. They are running 3 to 4 weeks behind right now, but it's still available and they are still running their offer. The 5 little trial pouches that probably can keep about 3 years, but nice to have, $25 off for free pretty much with your order. So a good one to try if you haven't tried. It is not cheap, definitely, but good quality, good food and nutrients. Another brand option here is My Patriot Supply. I will put the link in the description below. Here you've got a bucket. We actually have 2. It's 1 out of 2. It's a 4-week food supply. So variety of items. It gives you the calories, definitely not all the nutrients you have like the Nutrient Survival brand, but I mean, this is better than nothing. It will keep you going in case of emergency and needs. So this is still available on their website. And here you can see the website and it gives you an idea of the prices as well. So here are some pictures of the Augason Farms website. As you can see, this is out of stock. All the food pretty much, including all these food pouches ready now, all gone. And it's not just the food, because they also have some gears, some kits. It's pretty much the whole operations that are shut down here. Look at this. This was for emergency water, all out of stock, gone. But as I mentioned, there are items you can still find on Amazon, but be careful. Some of them are temporarily out of stock or written down as unavailable, currently unavailable, while others are still available, delivered the next day via Amazon Prime. Prices vary, unfortunately, so like here, the pouches are the exact same one as their website, but you can still get them on Amazon. Same for these number 10 cans, still available. Prices are only going to go up, unfortunately. These are the freeze-dry pineapple as an example for $30, not cheap. Next is the Nutrient Survival site, clearly saying that due to surging demand, orders ships first come first serve, 3 to 4 weeks delay, with the free breakfast variety as sample. So this is special ops grade nutrition. So highly nutritious with vitamins, minerals. But yeah, it's $55 for the number 10 can. Well, I hope you found this useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And be prepared. Thank you all for watching.